Which garbage disposal is actually good for your farmhouse sink? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to get the answer. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 options so you know exactly what to look for. Product number 1, In-Sink Aerator Badger 5. Let's kick things off with the In-Sink Aerator Badger 5. Priced at $117.54, this model caught my attention because of its reputation as a bestseller, with a solid 4.6-star rating from nearly 20,000 reviews. If you want reliability and ease of installation for your farmhouse sink, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product can solve your kitchen problems. It features a compact design that fits right into existing in-sink aerator hardware, making installation a breeze. Plus, with its durable galvanized steel components, you're getting a grinder that can withstand the daily grind of your kitchen. This model has been a top choice for years, given that more American homes rely on in-sink aerator than any other brand. So if you're looking for something that just works, this might be the one for you. Now, some people complained about the noise level. Here's the thing though, it's not the quietest on the market, so if you're particularly sensitive to sound, you might want to consider that before purchasing. However, for most people, the efficiency and reliability more than make up for it. This is perfect for you if you need a dependable and easy-to-install garbage disposal for everyday use. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-quiet. At this price point, it offers solid value for money. Now, if the noise level of the Badger 5 concerns you, the next option takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Frigidaire 34 HP. Next up is the Frigidaire 34 HP Corded Garbage Disposal. Coming in at $113.99, this model stands out for its innovative features and a solid 4.5-star rating from around 2,000 reviews. If you want a disposal that effectively handles tough food scraps while keeping odors at bay, this is worth considering. Here's why this product can be a game changer in your kitchen. The Torque Master grinding system packs a punch, making short work of tough scraps like coffee grounds and small bones, while minimizing noise thanks to its insulated sound shell. The SilverGuard magnetic ring is a clever addition, capturing metal objects before they can cause any damage. So if you often cook with varying ingredients, this model will keep your disposal in good shape. However, some users found it a bit tricky to install initially. But honestly, if you're familiar with basic kitchen plumbing, it's a manageable task. If you're not comfortable with DIY projects, this might be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you want a quieter operation and advanced features for tough food waste. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler installation process. Considering its capability, it's reasonably priced. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for someone who wants something budget-friendly. Product number 3. Waste-Made 10 USWM0583B. Now let's talk about the Waste-Made 10 USWM0583B at just $69.99. This model offers fantastic value and holds a rating of 4.6 stars from about 6,000 reviews. If you're on a budget but still want decent performance, this is definitely worth a look. It operates continuously, allowing you to add food waste while it's running, which could save you time during cleanup. Plus, its stainless steel components ensure durability, so you won't have to worry about breakdowns anytime soon. With a 6-year warranty, you can feel confident in your purchase. But some users mentioned it struggled with larger food items. Here's the thing though, for everyday scraps it performs really well, and if you're careful about what you put in, it should serve you just fine. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable, budget-friendly option for your kitchen. Skip this one if you frequently deal with tougher food waste. For the price, it's a great deal. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more power, the next product might catch your attention. Product number 4. In-Sink Aerator Badger 5 WC. Let's revisit the In-Sink Aerator Badger 5, but this time with the added power cord. Priced at $114.41, this model has a 4.7-star rating from 17,000 reviews, which is impressive. If you want reliability with the convenience of a power cord, this is worth checking out. This unit features the same reliable 1.2 horsepower motor as the original Badger 5, but adds the convenience of being ready to plug in right out of the box. This means no additional hardwiring, making installation straightforward. Its compact design fits neatly under any farmhouse sink, and with InSinkErator's long-standing reputation, you know you're investing in quality. However, some users note that it can be a bit noisy. But again, if you're not too sensitive to sound, this shouldn't deter you from its overall reliability and ease of use. It's designed to handle daily food scraps without any fuss. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward installation without worrying about hardwiring. Skip this one if noise levels are a concern for you. It's a great value considering the features it offers. If you're seeking the ultimate in performance, our last pick is one to stick around for. Product number 5, InSinkErator Power 0.75 HP. Last but definitely not least is the InSinkErator Power 0.75 HP, priced at $159. This one has a 4.6-star rating with about 913 reviews. If you're serious about grinding food waste efficiently, this might be the powerhouse you need. The reduced sound operation is a massive plus, especially if you have an open kitchen layout. Plus, the EZ Connect system makes installation a breeze. You can be set up and running in no time, which is a huge win for busy households. However, some users felt it was a bit more expensive than other options. Here's my take: if you're looking for durability and efficiency, that price is justified. It's built to last and handle a variety of food scraps easily. This is perfect for you if you want a higher performance disposal that's easy to install. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget. Given its capabilities, it offers great value for its price. So to wrap things up, we've looked at 5 fantastic garbage disposals. The InSinkErator Badger 5 for reliability, the Frigidaire for quieter operation, the Waste Made for budget friendliness, the Badger 5 with power cord for easy installation, and finally the InSinkErator Power 0.75 HP for serious performance. Each has its strengths, so choose based on what best fits your needs.